Hey guys, Tony from Tunehouse here. Here we've got a VF Commodore with a Walkinshaw W547 package on the car. It's been fitted a few years ago. Great package, great car, immaculate condition. Now, car came in with the Misfire code. Dealership didn't want to touch anything that was aftermarket on the car. So the customer's gone and done some of the diagnostic work himself. He's swapped over a few parts, some coil packs, some ignition leads and some spark plugs. Taking that into account, we thought we'd just double check everything, start the diagnostic procedure from scratch again, and then basically find the problem for him and fix the misfire. So what we've done is we've scanned the car, we've verified that there is a misfire, and we've also double checked the misfire count to confirm which cylinder that it's on. We've confirmed the issue was in cylinder number 8, and then from there we've then conducted our tests. Now we've checked the spark plugs, we've checked the ignition leads, we've also checked the injector resistance because these are quite a common problem on the VF Commodores. Now what we've come down to is this very interesting thing on the spark plugs. Let me show you. So these are the spark plugs that were in cylinders 7 and 8 on the car. We thought we'd just double check it anyway, even though the customer said he had switched the spark plugs from left to right. This is quite interesting now. So this is a very basic repair on the car that could have gone very expensive if it was diagnosed in the wrong way. Now, a couple of things to note. What we've now done is we've put the correct spark plugs in the car. So the engine, the LS3 engine didn't normally come supercharged, so it's obviously got the W547. We've run a different high performance spark plug to cater for the boost that's now running through the engine. We've also put new ignition leads as a preventative measure, along with some fireproof boots and the correct spark plugs.